Ready to turn your digital chaos into a streamlined productivity powerhouse? We have all been there, buried under a mountain of unread emails.
Look at this! It's just a jumble of overlapping events. How is anyone supposed to make sense of this puzzle?
A cloud icon with a question mark inside, and files lost somewhere in the vast digital cloud.
But there is a smarter way to organize your work.
Let's master your email, calendar, and cloud storage step by step. Step 1. Mastering your inbox. Stop treating your inbox as a to-do list. Start by unsubscribing from newsletters you never read. Use labels to categorize messages by priority or project. Set up automatic filters to move specific emails into folders instantly. If a task is done, archive the email to keep your view clear. Try the Inbox Zero method to maintain focus every day. Schedule your replies to maintain your flow state. Only star emails that require immediate action. Feel that? That is the peace of an organized inbox. Step 2. Optimizing your calendar. Treat your calendar like a map for your day.
Use time blocking to dedicate specific hours to deep work. Color code your events to distinguish between meetings and tasks.
Set reminders at least 15 minutes before your next meeting. Sync your calendar across all your devices for total access. Schedule breaks to avoid burnout and stay refreshed.
Use recurring events for habits you want to build.
Keep it flexible, but respect the boundaries you set.
View shared calendars to coordinate perfectly with your team. Checking off a scheduled task gives you a win every time.
Step 3. Conquering the cloud. A messy cloud is just a digital attic. First, we create a clear folder hierarchy. We'll label the main directories: projects, finance, and personal. Use consistent naming conventions so you can search easily. Never waste time searching for document 1 again. Manage your sharing permissions to keep data secure.
Use real-time collaboration tools to work together seamlessly. Enable offline access for files you need while traveling.
Regularly delete old versions and temporary files. Pin your most active projects for quick access. Back up your most important documents in a second location. Now, let's connect all three systems together. Turn your actionable emails directly into calendar tasks.
Attach cloud documents to your meetings for easy reference. Everything stays in sync, no matter where you are.
You are no longer reacting to your tools. You are using them.
This organization creates a shield against digital fatigue. Watch your focus and productivity reach new heights. You can start small, one folder at a time.
Dedicate 10 minutes at the end of each day to tidy up. The Friday inbox zero feeling is worth the effort.
Your cloud will become a library of your success. Clarity in your digital space means clarity in your mind. Automation is your best friend in this journey. Integrate your favorite apps to reduce manual entry.
Imagine what you can do with 2 extra hours every week.
More efficiency at work means more time for yourself. You have the tools. Now you have the plan. Don't wait for Monday to get organized.
Build a system that works for you, not against you.
Organize your work the smart way, starting today. Your streamlined digital life is just a few clicks away.
Subscribe for more productivity tips and master your workflow.